A brush is a tool with bristles, wire or other filaments, used for cleaning, grooming hair, makeup, painting, surface finishing and for many other purposes. It is one of the most basic and versatile tools known to mankind, and the average household may contain several dozen varieties. It generally consists of a handle or block to which filaments are affixed either parallel or perpendicular-wise, depending on the way the brush is to be gripped during use. The material of both the block and bristles or filaments is chosen to withstand hazards of its application, such as corrosive chemicals, heat or abrasion. Manufacture. A common way of setting the bristles, brush filaments, in the brush is the staple or anchor set brush in which the filament is forced with a staple by the middle into a hole with a special driver and held there by the pressure against all of the walls of the hole and the portions of the staple nailed to the bottom of the hole. The staple can be replaced with a kind of anchor, which is a piece of rectangular profile wire that is anchored to the wall of the hole, like in most toothbrushes. Another way to attach the bristles to the surface can be found in the fused brush, in which instead of being inserted into a hole, a plastic fiber is welded to another plastic surface, giving the option to use different diameters of bristles in the same brush. Configurations include twisted and wire, cylinders and discs. By function. Equals removal of material equals. The action of these brushes is mainly in the tip of each flexible bristle which dislodges particles of matter. Toothbrush, floor brush, scrubber, shoe polish brush, curling brush, nail brush, milk churn brush, vacuum cleaner brush, archaeology brush, lavatory brush. Clothes brush, a brush for removing detritus from clothing, chip brush, car wash brush, gun barrel brush, wire brush, typewriter eraser brush, dandy brush, for horse grooming, dishwashing brush, beekeeper's brush, bench grinder brush, rotary brush, flue brush, chimney brush, bottle brush, long-handled brush with rows of radial bristles, designed to fit into small muffed bottles and access the larger interior. Broom. Equals application of material equals. The action of such brushes is mostly from the sides, not the tip, contact with which releases material held by capillary action. Paintbrush, wallpaper brush, shoe polish brush, makeup brush, mascara brush, nail polish brush, fingerprint forensic brush, pastry brush, ink brush, shaving brush, gilding brush. Combing equals, the action of these brushes is more akin to combing than brushing, that is they are used to straighten and untangle filaments. Certain varieties of hairbrush are however designed to brush the scalp itself free of material such as dead skin and to invigorate the skin of the scalp. Hairbrush, dog grooming brush. Other brush, used on electrical motors, drumstick brushes, magnetic brush, stippling brush, medical sampling brush. Cleaning. Brushes used for cleaning come in various sizes. They vary in size ranging from that of a toothbrush, to the standard household version accompanied by a dustpan, to 36 inches deck brushes. There are brushes for cleaning tiny cracks and crevices and brushes for cleaning enormous warehouse floors. Brushes perform a multitude of cleaning tasks. For example, brushes lightly dust the tiniest figurine, they help scrub stains out of clothing and shoes, they remove grime from tires, and they remove the dirt and debris found on floors with the help of a dustpan. Specific brushes are used for diverse activities from cleaning vegetables, as a toilet brush, washing glass, cleaning tiles, and as a mild abrasive for sanding. See also, wire brush, hairbrush, ink brush, pastry brush. References. The Grove Encyclopedia of Materials and Techniques in Art, Gerald W. Award. Oxford University Press, 2008. ISBN 978-0-19-531391-8. External links